Hi, today I want to go over the Soundstage SS165CX speakers. You might be thinking, all 6.5-inch speakers are the same. Actually, they're not. Let me show you how these speakers are different than everyone else. You want to give me two minutes of your time? So, look, first off, you're going to see that the little speaker, the tweeter, doesn't stick out past the front of the speaker. So what this means is it ensures it fits behind your factory door panel. But what we do differently is we include spacer. So what this can do is, so if you need a little bit of more space, this will suck up tight against your factory panel and ensure tight, crisp sound. Or if it's a little bit too deep, it happens sometimes, I can do a 1/2-inch spacer off the panel as well, making it so it fits at no additional cost to you. Now, also, this one right here, this ring will make it so it fits into a GM, a Volkswagen, a Ford, any vehicle that you want. This can be adapted to, because let's face it, all those cars are slightly different. So as you can see from this ring, I have a mounting, because this way ensures an absolute perfect fit of this speaker into this ring into your vehicle. Hey, we even include the screws for you to make sure you don't need any additional parts to make this even easier. Not many people do that nowadays.